Hello there. Welcome back to Dimples and Arabian Journey. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is multi-layer whole wheat masala paratha. This can be made in minutes and a very healthy form of paratha. This flatbread or the masala paratha has been cooked with very minimum and basic ingredient. So let's start cooking and have a look onto the main ingredient. So all we need is 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, any cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of salt or as per your taste. So here I'll be adding roughly around 2.5 cup of whole wheat flour. We'll be only adding wheat flour and no maida or no refined flour, so just whole wheat. Now I'm adding the oil. Now I'm adding the salt as per your taste or 1 tablespoon, and little by little, step by step, just start kneading with adding water. Not too much and not too little. And finally, we have made a dough. Not too soft and not too dry. This is the consistency. So now only 1 tablespoon of water has been remaining. To this I'm adding oil and just spread it evenly so that the dough doesn't dry up, and cover them for good 10 minutes. While the dough rests for good 10 minutes, let us start having a look onto the main ingredient, that is the masala. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala, 2 tablespoons of cumin or zira, 1/3 cup of kasuri methi powder, and half cup of coriander and mint chopped. 1/3 cup of desi ghee or oil can be also replaced. Mix all the dry ingredient, the dry spices together one by one. The chili powder, the roasted cumin or the zira powder, the pav bhaji masala powder, and salt, the remaining salt. Mix them together, combine them well. If you do not have pav bhaji masala, no issues. You can replace it with garam masala powder. So the process is as similar as making a chapati, but the only thing remain is chapatis are too soft, but the parathas are not. So here you need to be really careful about it, that we do not want a soft chapati kind of a consistency. We just need paratha. So it will be a bit thick, and the shape is not a problem at all. You can just shape them anyhow. Paratha doesn't have an peculiar shape or anything, so you can just roll them accordingly. Here I'll be just showing you at least 1 to 2 parathas, how to roll them from the beginning and to the end. Dust some flour onto the rolling board and start rolling. Flatten the dough. Start spreading the ghee or the butter or even the oil if you have. So you can just spread it all over. And now just sprinkle generously the dry spices. And then goes a big pinch of kasuri methi. You can slightly crush them while you add them. And now you can spread the chopped coriander and the mint leaves all over. And then the main part and the tricky part is rolling the layers. You just need to twist and just layer it, twist it, and then tuck it in the edge of the part. You just need to roll it and then tuck it inside, exactly how I do. So layer on layer, twist and tuck the edges or the end part, and then flatten them. And now you can just dust some more flour and do accordingly as how you do a chapati, just roll it flat. So here we go. You need to follow the likewise technique and similar pattern to flatten all and roll them layer by layer accordingly for all the 5 chapati rolls. So in this video I'll be showing you only 2 pieces, but I've done according 5 pieces. So this is the process. You just need to layer it with the pre-done mix powder, the spice mix powder, and the kasuri methi, and then the coriander and the chopped mint leaves, coriander and the mint leaves finely chopped, and spread it across. And if you do not have the pav bhaji masala, you can replace it with garam masala powder, and then you can just flatten them layer by layer. This is how the technique is. And then flat press it, roll it and tuck it in. The 5-layer masala paratha is ready and all set to toss it into the tawa or a pan. So our quantity is 2.5 cup of whole wheat flour yields around good 5 pieces of masala paratha. I do not want to burn my paratha, so in order to that I'm just keeping them into the medium mode. The flame is on the medium mode. So just after 2 to 3 minutes, what you can do is just apply a generous amount of ghee or oil or even butter. So if you're running out of oil or ghee, then butter is okay, or vice versa. And then spread the ghee carefully all across, all over. And this gives a rich taste and it also looks beautiful. The paratha looks really beautiful. Cook well on each side and apply a generous amount of ghee or butter or oil. So as we haven't added any of the maida or the flour to the whole wheat masala paratha, it won't take too long to prepare or cook this paratha. It only needs 5 to 6 minutes, that's it. So here it goes. So my 5-layer of masala paratha is all set and looking so delicious. Thanks for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey, and if you love and like my videos, please do have a look onto the description box and do send us your feedback and comment under the comment section below. Thanks for connecting.